let's use pivot tables to try and analyze a very interesting set of data. So our data set is based on the book Dataclysm. Forget the author, but he's the head of OK Cupid and has looked at data from Tinder, OK Cupid, Match.com, and many other sites. So what I made up was data that sort of illustrates some of the ideas in his book. So I have the gender of the person, a man or a woman. I have the age, and then the age of the opposite sex that they say is most attractive to them. And so what can we conclude about the way women and men differ in the view of the age of the person they consider most attractive to them? Well, how could we use a pivot table here to deal with our 1,200 or so people? Well, we could look at every age, and we should group the ages, and then try and figure out for men and women the average age of the person that they find most attractive. So how can we use a pivot table to do that? We put the cursor here. We do insert pivot table, existing worksheet. Now we're going to take the ages. Okay, so I want the age of person, and then I'm going to group that. Then I want the age of the person they find most attractive in the opposite sex. Okay. And then, okay, we'll put that in here. And we want that to be average. We'll change that in a minute. I want the gender here, okay, for men and women. Okay. Now, what this does, it does sum of age, and that's not what I want, but we know how to fix that, I think. Okay, since it says sum of age, if I go right-click, okay, if I go in here, I can go value field settings, or you can actually do summarize values as by average. Okay, so now we have for every age the average age that a man or woman will find most attractive. For men and women, we have the average age of the person of the opposite sex they'll find most attractive. But we should group this because we've got too many data points here, ages 21 through 50. So how about we group this in 5-year increments? So I go right-click, group, 21 to 50. Let's go 5-year increments. Okay, there we go. And what you can see, and we'll graph this in a minute, and this is actually true, but it shows men are really bad people. I'm sorry. Okay, no matter what the age of the man, it's about a 24, 25-year-old woman they find most attractive. Now, as the women get older, they find men who are basically their own age most attractive. And this is the way it is. I am sorry. Okay, but let's summarize this in a graph here. So we go in here, we go Analyze tab, and then we go to Pivot Chart, and there we go. So you can see the men are the blue chart there, blue in the chart there, and that it's very level for each age of a man. They prefer women about the same age, around 25. But as women get older, they'll prefer men who are roughly their own age. So I'm sorry, but men are not very nice people according to this analysis.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.